Hi everyone, it's Nathan here with US Sport Aircraft, and today I've got some extremely exciting news for you. US Sport Aircraft and Dynon Avionics are going to be partnering together to create the first ever certified Dynon installation center for HDX, Skyview, and certified airplanes. At Oshkosh 2017, Dynon announced they are entering the certified avionics market with their industry-leading Skyview HDX integrated avionics system. For nearly 8 years, owners of experimental, amateur-built, and light sport aircraft have been flying with the Skyview system installed in their airplanes, giving their aircraft the benefit of the most modern and capable avionics available for small general aviation aircraft. The Skyview HDX system provides electronic flight instruments such as synthetic vision, engine instruments, VFR GPS navigator and moving map, 2-axis autopilot, 2020 compliant ADS-B out, ADS-B in, traffic, weather data, and a long list of other capabilities and safety enhancing features. This remarkable system makes your aircraft safer and much more fun to fly. Around the world, over 20,000 aircraft are flying with Dynon electronic flight instruments. Now, with Dynon's exciting announcement, in the very near future, the huge fleet of existing certified aircraft will finally have access to the most modern avionics at truly affordable prices. So what does all of this mean for you? Well, since Oshkosh, both the US Sport Aircraft and Dynon teams have literally received hundreds of the same questions regarding, hey, how can I bring my airplane into the 21st century? Well, to talk a little bit about that, we're going to speak with two great folks from Dynon and US Sport Aircraft. Let's go have a look.
Hey guys, I'm Rachel Schwartz. I'm the aircraft sales manager here at US Sport Aircraft.
And I'm Kirk Kleinholz, sales manager for Dynon Avionics. Rachel and I are here today to answer some questions that keep cropping up for both of us since Dynon's exciting announcement at Oshkosh this year that we're entering the certified avionics market.
So Kirk, with all of the excitement surrounding the announcement of the Skyview HDX system for certified aircraft, why don't you tell us a little bit about the STCs that you guys are working on?
Well, for quite some time now, Dynon's been working on STCs for two separate aircraft. One is the single-engine Cessna 172N model, and the other is the twin-engine Beechcraft Baron Model 58. Now, both of those aircraft actually flew to Oshkosh this year with Skyview HDX installed, and they both were on display in our booth there. So those STCs are still in process, but the FAA has been a remarkable partner in this. They've shown a tremendous will to help us get this done. They're just as excited as we are and all our customers are about seeing this technology make its way into these airplanes.
So it sounds like in the near future there's going to be two aircraft that are going to be able to have the Skyview HDX system installed. But we're getting calls from people with aircraft of all kinds. When is everyone else going to get the Skyview HDX system put in their aircraft?
So both STCs are still in process, and while the FAA has been moving at lightning speed with us on this, there's still a lot of work for both Dynon and the FAA to finish before the STCs are complete. Our next step is to quickly start seeking approval for follow-on aircraft types and models. We haven't yet defined the sequence of the models we're going to pursue, but like you said, we're getting calls from owners of almost every type of aircraft out there. Our objective is eventually to get Skyview HDX approved for virtually all 6-seat and less single and multi-engine aircraft. We are collecting names. Since Oshkosh, we've been having people sign up on an interest list, and we've got literally hundreds of names of people excited for their airplane to be next. And I have to say, many of those are excitedly offering their airplanes up to be the prototype platform for each new model type. That process of expanding models is called an approved model list, or AML. So the process of adding aircraft to the approved model list is not as onerous as the original STC, but there's still a lot of work to be done. For example, we are intent that the autopilot be an option on each new model type. If we were just talking about the avionics in the panel itself, it's somewhat easier to expand to new models, but we're absolutely committed to the autopilot being at least an option in all aircraft because it's so critical to the additional safety that we're bringing to these airplanes. So the bottom line is we're asking people to be patient. We appreciate their excitement and enthusiasm, and we hope to serve everybody, but you're going to have to be patient with us because we just have a lot of work to do to proceed to each new model.
So once the HDX is approved to be put into all of the aircraft, where's everyone going to go to get the installations done?
Well, as you already know, U.S. Sport Aircraft is a prominent partner with us in this effort. You were with us at our big announcement at Oshkosh and helped us in the booth the whole week. So U.S. Sport Aircraft is our first installation center for Dynon Certified. You're located here in Addison, Texas. So once the 172 and Baron STCs are finalized, the first place for people to get HDX installed will be here at U.S. Sport Aircraft. And I just want to add again that U.S. Sport Aircraft is an important business partner for us in this effort. You've been installing our Skyview equipment in one of the most popular light sport aircraft now for several years. You're some of the foremost experts in installing and retrofitting Skyview and now Skyview HDX, and we're really excited about our partnership. And that's why we've selected U.S. Sport Aircraft as our first installation center. We're looking forward to a great relationship there. At the same time, we're also authorizing a dealer in Anchorage, Alaska named Merrill-Field Instruments. And everybody knows they're quite remote geographically, but they're an interesting test case for us because they are so isolated, and Alaska is a very unique aviation market. And then also Dynon is planning to open an installation center ourselves in the Pacific Northwest, likely in either Washington or Oregon. So initially those will be the 3 locations that people will be able to have HDX installed. Obviously we need to fan out across the country. Again, we have interest from literally hundreds of pilots, and we're still working on our plan on how we're going to serve the certified market throughout the country. We're intent that we're going to serve the certified market in the same way we've served experimental and light sport. We don't intend to be just like the other guys. We think we can serve pilots better products, more affordably. And so we're going to roll out our installation network very methodically, and again, we're asking you to have patience with us. We think we're going to do a good job for you.
So we are super excited at U.S. Sport Aircraft to be partnering with Dynon on this project, and we hope that you guys are just as excited as we are, and we cannot wait to see what the future is going to hold for all of us.